Alright, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your 600 PSI Ryobi Ezclean to use a quick connect adapter, right? So first of all, you need to make sure that you have the 600 PSI one. If you have a 320 PSI one, it comes with a plastic rod and you can't take off the top in order to do the conversion. However, if you do have the 320 PSI one, you can buy an extension rod, which should allow you to do the same thing, and I'll put the link in the video below. So, first of all, what I did was I had to take this off. And in order to take this off, what I did was I got 2 vice grips, place one on the metal end, like so. And then one on the plastic side like this. And then I just had to break it apart. So it does take a little bit of effort. So I already broke this loose already, so it's a little easy for me. And then once you remove it, you'll see that there was probably some pink Loctite there, or red Loctite. Now you'll just see this thread here. So this is an M10. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to clean this off first, get rid of any debris that you have, put on some Teflon tape, like so. Then I have an M10 to a 1/4 inch adapter. Thread this on. Oops. Once this is nice and tight, like so, you can Teflon tape this end also. So this is a 1/4 inch, and what I did was I bought a 1/4 inch to a pressure washer quick release adapter. I'll also place those links in the link below. So as you can see, I got a standard pressure washer fitting right here, and this is a quick release adapter. And that's pretty much it. So now I screw the 1/4 inch pressure washer right here. And then I need to tighten this up also. Once that's tight, this attaches to the front. And now, you're ready to go. Okay, so now here's a quick demonstration of me using different attachments. So here is a 40-degree angle. Not too bad. So real quick, I'm gonna switch to a 15-degree. So you can see not bad. And then also, let me throw in a foam can attachment.
So I had the Ryobi foam cannon attachment, but it didn't allow for a lot of adjustment as far as angle, amount of soap. It just didn't have enough adjustment to give me the right amount of foam that I wanted. So here it is. So as you can see here, this has a pretty thick amount of foam. It gives me a lot better coverage than the original Ryobi attachment, and that's the main reason why I switched over to this quick release adapter, so I could use my own attachments and have better use of my Ryobi Ezclean. I hope you enjoy the tools and tips.